This is Michael with the Vision Experience, and in this video we're going to talk about the projector that's part of this custom system going up to Chicago. This is the SXRD technology that Sony has with several of their projectors. We really like these projectors, and for home theaters we just highly recommend considering these projectors. Now, for this particular projector, I just want to go over a couple of the features and things to be aware of during your setup. We've already sent you the mount for this. This will ceiling mount, so this projector will be flipped upside down and go up onto the ceiling. Now, for your 3D, the emitter for the projector is right here in the front. And so, when you set this up for your theater, that emitter alone may be all you need to sync up all of your glasses in your theater. But just in case it's not, because of your theater setup, we're including this 3D Sync Emitter. What this will do is extend the range for the 3D syncing to your glasses considerably. And with this, you will definitely be able to have all your glasses sync up to your image, no problem. So what you might want to do is, once you set up your projector, go ahead and take your 3D glasses and sit in the theater's seating and see if the glasses work fine. If they do, you might not even need this. But just in case you do, I wanted to show you how to set this up. Now, this can be set up two ways. One, it comes with the cable right here that you connect right into the side of the projector. It's just like a LAN connection. That connects to the side of the projector, and then this is designed to be set right in front of the projector. So imagine your projector being upside down. This would basically be connected to your projector, and it's going to be set right in front of it, maybe a foot, and this emitter is going to be angled to hit the screen. Basically, that signal will hit the screen and then bounce back and flood your entire theater, and that's how the glasses will sync up to it. Now, the other way that you can use the emitter is you could actually take a LAN cable and make it a long LAN cable that goes all the way to the front by the screen, and then you could set the emitter right under the screen and let this emitter be facing everybody in your theater that way. And if I recall, we wired your theater system to have a cable that goes right there, as well as when you just connect it with this, you don't need any additional pre-wired cables at all. So once again, just to reiterate, for your 3D emitter, just plug this right into the side, and when your projector's hanging from your ceiling, have this about 6 inches in front of it, right above it. It'll hit the screen and hit your whole crowd, or you can have it right underneath the screen that way in the front of your room. But when you set it up initially, the emitter that's in the projector might just be enough for your theater. At 12 seats, if the positioning of the projector is fine, you might be fine that way as well. Additionally, the projector only has the one HDMI cable that we talked about in a previous video that goes to the output of your preamp, and that's the only cable that you need to have connected to your projector. Now, with some of the features for the projector, the first thing we'll talk about is for the calibrated presets. If I go to the menu here, if you just hit menu and you look on here, we've got calibrated presets. And you've got Cinema 1, Cinema 2, Reference TV, Video Game, Bright Cinema, Bright TV. All these are different presets for your projector. They have they take in consideration the brightness, the contrast, all these different things, and a lot of these will give you a dramatically different picture. So you can look through those and see what you like. Now, reference is one that we've done some custom settings for you. So if you want to look at reference first, that has a very professional setting that we've worked on, and that is a setting that I would suggest you start with, and it's probably going to be the setting that you use. But go ahead and look at the other ones as well and see what you like. And you'll notice there are some great differences to them. But references will probably give you the most professional setting that you will want to use. The other feature that I wanted to talk to you about was 3D. And we'll talk about 3D a little bit more when we talk about playing DVDs. But when you play a 3D, the projector is set up to automatically sense it and then automatically make the 3D happen. So when you play a 3D DVD, simply press play and put on your glasses and you're watching 3D. There's also a 2D to 3D converter, and it is really, really great. It does depend on your video source in terms of how the quality of it is going to be, but it really is something to look at, and I think you'll enjoy it with many of your DVDs or watching the football game or whatever. Now you can go into the projector menu, and also on the remote itself it simply has 3D, and you just push 3D and you can see you get 3D settings, and there's something that says 2D to 3D display. Well, we just push enter on that, and you can see you've got auto, or you can go down to 3D, and when I push that button, now you can see it looks blurry because we just converted the image from 2D to 3D. And when I look at that image on the screen now with these 3D glasses, sure enough, yeah, it's a great 3D display. And then when you want to go out of the 3D image, you just go back up to 3D settings and put it on auto. And now when it's on auto, it will automatically decide if you've got a native 3D image going through it, and you're all set to go. So play around with that, and I think you'll find that a lot of your images will work just great with that. So that's just the basic run through on this projector. There's some more information about that that'll be in some other videos, and look through the manuals on it. But it comes preset, and it's ready to go, and that's the Sony XXRD technology projector.